Hi, I'm Eric with Advanced Window Cleaning, and I'm here to answer some frequently asked questions that we get. One of our first questions is, are we a local company? The answer is yes. My family moved here in the 90s, and we started the window cleaning company here in 2019. We service from Mac all the way through Parachute. Another question we get is, do we do inside window cleaning, and do we clean the screens? We have a package to fit everyone's budget. 2 of our packages include inside window cleaning, and all of our packages include screen cleaning. Can we bid over the phone? It's extremely difficult for us to give a bid over the phone because it all depends on how big the windows are, how dirty they are, and when was the last time they were cleaned, and depending on how difficult they are to get to, and if they have hard water on the windows. We have a special 4-stage process to get hard water off your windows and making them look as good as new. We also offer discounts for veterans and referrals. We're a local family company and we love referrals. A few more questions that we get is, how long does it take to clean the windows on my house and how many people are going to show up? Well, it all depends on the size of the house and how many people we assign to the job. We usually assign 1 to 3 technicians to the job, but you'll always get an email with a picture and a description of our lead technician, and they always wear ID badges for your safety. What you can do to help us out is move all your breakable knickknacks away from the windows and off the windowsills and raise your window blinds. You do not need to make a deposit at the time of booking, but you do need to pay when we're done with the service. We accept cash, check, or credit card, whatever's easiest for you. Give us a call at Advanced Window Cleaning, 640-5290.